The laptop will handle everything you can throw at it, if you keep games to 1920x 1080 pixel, full HD resolution. I played a few hours of Rise of the Tomb Raider, released in 2016 but still among the most graphically demanding games out there, and it ran perfectly smoothly in FHD. Kicking the resolution to full 4K caused some choppiness, but the game still mostly ran at around 30 FPS. That said, the Omen 17 fared well in Overwatch. I got up to 70 frames per second playing at the higher 4K resolution of 3840x 2160 pixels. One problem with gaming laptops is the inability to switch graphics cards in and out, so whatever card you have, you're stuck with it. You'll be able to play most of today's games with ease on the Omen 17 configured with a GeForce 1050 Ti, and play all of them with ease with a 1060. If you want future-proofing though, it's worth shelling out an extra 100 or so for the 1070. Portability is clearly not your main concern if you're in the market for a 17-inch machine, but the HP Omen is admirably trim considering the necessarily large frame. At 6.3 pounds, it's not something you'd take to work every day, or anywhere near public transport. But it's something you can move around the house or drive to a friend's house every now and then without it being a major hassle.